Hi students, so today we are going to discuss about the exercise 4.1. So 4.1, all of you open page number 69 and see in your textbooks. So I am going to read the first Roman, all of you try to read along with me. So for each of the following figures, count the number of marked points and line segments. So here already we discussed this in the previous video, how to recognize the marked points and line segments in the given figure. So here some figures are given. So we have to write the points, which are the points marked in the given figure, also as well as we have to find the how many line segments are there, what are those also we have to write. Okay. So now I am going to explain the first year. So coming to A sum here, first we have to write the how many points are there and how many line segments are there. So what about the points here, how many points? Coming to the points O, A, B, C, these are the 4 points are here, 4 points. 4 points, what are those? O, comma, A, comma, B, comma, C. These 4 are the points are marked in the given figure. So coming to the line segments. Line segment, how many are there? OA, OB, OC. Only 3 line segments are. 3 line segments. What are those 3 line segments? OA, OB, OC. These are the line segments are there in the given figure. So these things we have to do. So I am going to explain C also here. So observe the C figure. Here also how many points you can recognize? 1 O, Z, O, X, Y, Z. 4 points. 4 points. 4 points are O, comma, X, comma, Y, comma, Z. So like that only line segments 3 line segments. 3 line segments are O, X, O, Y, O, Z. These 3 are the line segments and that 4 are the points. Like that only you must find that how many points and how many line segments are there in B and D figures. Okay, you have to try with yourself. And next I am going to explain the second Roman. So coming to the second Roman, A and B 2 questions are there. First question diagram is given like this and second question diagram is given like that. Here 3 lines L1, L2 and L3. 3 lines are given, here 4 lines are given. So coming to the first A question, 2 questions are given again. So here lines L1 and L3 are dash. So here we have to write the answer here. Already question is there in your textbook. When I am explaining, see that question and see the answer on the board what I am explaining. So here L1 and L3 are. L1 here it is the L1 and L3 this is the L3. So these 2 lines are in same distance, equal distance. These 2 lines are maintaining equal distance, so that we can say this L1 and L2 are parallel. N1 is parallel to L3, like that you can write. L1 is parallel to L3. So what about the second question asking here? So what about the L1 and L2 are? L1, this is L1 and this is L2. So when a line segment which is joining here L1 and L2 means here the angle will be 90 degrees. So here the angle will be 90 degrees. So here L1 is perpendicular to L2. So L1 is perpendicular, symbol you have to use here, perpendicular to L2. Like this you have to write. So these 2 are parallel lines and these 2 are intercepting lines. So intercepting means perpendicularly intercepted. So here L3 and L2 also be perpendicular. Okay, here question is not given, so no need to write that. And coming to the B question, in question B, first one is line L1 and L4 are. So here line L1 and L4, these two lines are intersected here. L1 is this and L4 is this. So these two are intersected at one place. So those two are called, actually the here 90 degrees will not be there. So we can say that L1 and L2 are just intercepting lines. Intercepting lines you have to write there. Just you can write intersecting. Second one, what about the second one? So line L3 and L2 are L3, this is L3 and this is L2. These two lines are maintaining equal distance. We can say L2 is parallel to L3, like this you have to write. You have to fill the blanks like this. Understood? This is about the second one. Okay. Now the third one is, name the angles and rays in the given figure. That is the question. So coming to the third question, in third question what we have to find, given a figure, how many line segments or how many rays are there in the given figure we have to find. So now coming to the first A. So here rays. What are the rays are given here? AC is a ray, comma BD also a ray. We must indicate with the symbol like this. Okay, don't forget. Line segment. Line segment. How many line segments are there in this given figure? A, B, A, C, BD, AB, AC, BD, AB, AC and BD. These three are the line segments. So here 3 line segments are there and 2 lines also, 2 rays also there. So coming to the B question, here in the B question how many rays are there? Again we have to find how many rays are there, how many line segments are there. So rays, here how many rays are there? Here also 2 rays only, AC and BD. These 2 only rays again. So here how many line segments? Line segments means 2 endpoints will be there for a line segment, one starting point and one ending point. Here OA is a line segment, OA and OB, AC and BD. Here 4 line segments are in the given figure. So like that you have to write the how many rays and how many line segments are there in the given figure. So coming to see some in the third Roman, so here also what we have to find, how many rays and how many line segments are there. First rays, how many rays you can observe here? B to A one ray, D to C one ray and F to E. So here how many rays are there? 3 rays, B, A ray. You must indicate like this only. So you must put arrow, the ray passing through which point. So you have to put arrow for that point only. So comma D, C ray and F, E ray. Understood? These are the 3 rays are given there. And how many line segments are there? Line segments. So in line segments section, AB line segment, CD line segment and EF line segment. When you are going to write the line segment or line, you can use any line, any point you can indicate first, AB or BA, ECD or DC or EF or FE, like that you can write. So no problem. When you are writing ray only, you must observe the ray which ray is going on which side. Okay. So coming to the line segments, these 3 line segments are completed. Now here vertical line segments also there, horizontal line segments I wrote here. So what about the vertical line segment? BD is a line segment and DF is also a line segment. So total BF also a line segment. So, this many of line segments are there in the given figure. So, like that observe the how many rays are there, how many line segments are there, you have to observe. So, using these three sums, all of you complete the D sum in your textbook all. Okay, you can complete with your own ideas. So, with the example of this. Okay. So, here in the fourth question, identify the perpendicular line segments in the given figure. In this figure we have to find the how many perpendicular line segments. Perpendicular means the angle which is if two line segments, the angle between the two line segments or two rays is 90 degrees, means that two lines are called as perpendicular line segments. Here where the 90 degrees was formed, here in between PQ and QR and QR and RS. Here at the two places the right angle was formed. So, here these two lines and these two pair of lines and these two pair of lines will become perpendicular. Okay. So, what we have to write here, first one is PQ is perpendicular to QR. Why? At the corner of PQ and QR right angle was formed. So, that PQ and QR are the perpendicular. So, you have to write perpendicular symbol, you have to use here. And next QR and RS, in between QR and RS also at R right angle was formed here at R. So, that we can say QR is perpendicular to RS. So, like that you can write that. So, two pair of perpendicular lines are there in the given figure. So, like this you have to complete this answer. So, remaining sums in exercise 4.1 up to 4 sums we discussed. Remaining sums we can discuss in the next video. Thank you.